Today on The Journey Unveiled, one of the most notoriously dangerous yet exhilarating festivals in the world. Despite talks to ban the festival altogether, the festival is held every year. And back in 2010, while I was living in Taiwan, I just happened to talk myself into participating in this unbelievable festival.
It is known as the Yanshui Beehive Fireworks Festival. It originated in 1875 when a cholera epidemic broke out in the district of Yanshui in Tainan, Taiwan. Fireworks were used to call the attention of Guandi, the god of war, who helped to ward off the terrible disease. Ever since then, every year, 15 days after the beginning of the Lunar New Year, Yanshui becomes an explosive zone of fireworks. On the streets, deafening fireworks are set off to get rid of noxious influences and diseases. But the real spectacle and danger lies with these beehive fireworks. A cage is set up with bottle rockets. When ignited, the rockets are launched into the crowd, creating an ear-splitting cacophony of bee-like sounds. Most visitors and locals join the crowds for a thrilling and fun experience, while others believe being hit by fireworks will bring good fortune for the upcoming year. To protect against the pelleting fireworks, I was told to wear a helmet, rain jacket, mask, gloves, and a towel around my neck. After jumping around for hours, it was so wonderful to sit back and enjoy the hundreds of colorful fireworks that continue to light up the dark skies until the wee hours of the morning.
This was one of the best and wildest festivals I have attended on my travels so far. But I have to admit, I was a bit apprehensive at first. But eventually, I got over my fears, and it was worth it. So, if you feel a bit daring and crazy, and you love fireworks, and you don't mind being hit by them, then maybe you should attend the Yanshui Beehive Fireworks Festival for yourself.